Hello and welcome again in a brand new video. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to add a snack bar in Flutter. So without wasting the time, let's get So our screen of VS Code is open and I'm going to add a snack bar. So for adding a snack bar, we have to take an elevated button, and in the elevated button, on pressing the button, we are going to show the snack bar. So first of all, we make an elevated button, and after that, in the elevated button, the on press method is used, and pressing the button, we are going to show the snack bar. So let's start from the body. We are taking an elevated button, and in elevated button we are taking two arguments, child and on pressed. And in child we are going to give text, and in text we are going to give what? Snack bar. We have to add snack bar. We also have to add constant because the comment is written prefer constant, and the elevated button shown on the screen you can see on the emulator. And after that we are going to take final snack bar equal to snack bar. Snack bar. In snack bar we are giving the content, but this content I think it takes text only. No problem, we are writing it, and after that we cut paste in the text widget. This content only takes text widget, so we have to take the text first. After that, in the single quote we have to write this text. So we are taking the whole, and after that in content we are providing text widget. So we are taking text widget, and in text widget we have to copy paste it, and we have to add the constant modifier. And after giving this variable, we have to add what? Scaffold messenger. And we have to add the constant modifier, ignore prefer constant. And after snack bar, we have to add scaffold messenger. Scaffold messenger dot off context and dot show snack bar, semicolon, and that's it. And one thing we can also add is action in the snack bar. Action. We have to show snack bar action. It takes snack bar action. And in a snack bar action, the two arguments are important, which is label and on press method. In on press method, we are not giving anything. You can add according to your requirement. We have to remove this constant and add constant here, and our snack bar is ready. And after that we are going to wrap the elevated button with size box and giving its width 100, and also wrap this size box with the center widget, and our elevated button is in the center. So after when we click the snack bar, you can see our snack. When we click the elevated button, the snack bar is showing on the bottom. So our snack bar is ready. We can see that all the code are very clear. So if you learned from this video, you can like the video and subscribe my channel. All the coding related videos are uploaded on this channel. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys learned from that. If you learned from that, please give us a thumbs up. So thank you and have a nice day. We will see you in the next video.